Blind item. Sino kaya ang mga ito? From the outside, they are the definition of perfection. A showbiz power couple admired for their looks, flawless image, and undeniable success in their respective fields. Red carpets, brand deals, and carefully curated smiles have convinced the public that they have it all. But behind closed doors, the fairy tale cracks. Industry whispers reveal that the boy, known for his charm and his squeaky clean reputation, allegedly lives a double life while projecting the image of a devoted partner. He is said to be juggling multiple women quietly, repeatedly, and recklessly. The most heartbreaking part, insiders claim the wife has been blindsided more times than she can count. There were moments when the pain became too heavy to hide. One particularly raw episode allegedly unfolding in a hotel lobby, where she broke down in tears in front of close friends, her misery spilling out far from the cameras meant to protect their perfect image. For now, the smiles remain intact. The photos is still polished, but those who know say it's only a matter of time before the truth catch up with the illusion. Is this the end of a power couple's fairy tale? Pero sino kaya ang tinutukoy ng blind item na ito? Pero ayon sa chika, hindi po si Donnie at si Belle.